All throughout the pages of Scripture, we are challenged to be in community. When the Bible tells us to not forsake gathering together, the Bible tells us that we're made stronger when we're doing life with others. The simple truth is God created us to be in community. We need to be known by others, and we need to know others. God has placed something inside of you that He wants to use to help somebody else in their journey with Him. We need one another. I want to encourage you this semester, take the step, run the risk, dare to step into a circle of community and discover the joy that's found in doing life with others. All you have to do to find a group that's right for you this semester is go to tfc.org/groups, choose the campus that you regularly attend, and you will see a menu of groups that are available for you to choose from. This semester is going to be filled with life change. I want to encourage you, find a small group, get connected in community, and experience the joy of doing life with others.